Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABEO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first key level of support is more so the trend line here that just illustrates the fact that, yes, of course, today was rough, but over the course of the day, and just looking at today individually, the price has slowly been creeping higher and higher. Now, is that explosive? Is that like firework type action? No, it's not, but it is. You got to give credit where credit's due. The price is slowly making its way upwards. And all movements, bigger movements to the upside, they got to start somewhere, and it's definitely started here. The question just becomes, is this actually the start of something, or is this just one of these little dead cat bounces? And like I said, the easiest way to measure that is just to watch that trend line, meaning if the price goes down to the trend line and then just crashes down through it, well then kind of common sense, no, this is not the start of anything. This was just simply a little false bottom bounce to the upside. So like I said, preferably speaking, you definitely want to see the price stay above that trend line there, but the must-hold level of support, no excuses, is down there at 280. And nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact of if the price goes below 280, then that's literally meaning that the price is broken down below the lows right there. And then it would also be putting the price down at levels that have not been seen for literally weeks upon weeks. So like I said, that would just be the exact opposite of any sort of bottom if, like I said, not only the trend line fails, but then also 280. So trend line, preferable level, 280, next level of support going forward. As far as areas of resistance, very straightforward right now. It's all about that pink line, which on my chart represents the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at 353. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So I'm not saying it can't be broken, just saying that, traditionally speaking, usually the price really needs to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break above that level, but then be able to stay up above it. But all in all, yeah, rough day. However, definitely an interesting movement, interesting pattern going into next week. So let's see if this is indeed the start of something much bigger back to the upside or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.